Morning. Hopefully, I'm going to say this quietly, we have a little bit of sun. I don't think it's going to be lasting too long, to be truthful, but yesterday we got all this little line in here, so what I'm trying to do today, fingers crossed, is try and at least get to here today. That would be amazing. Just get to our last full slab, and then hopefully then by Monday we can start getting all the other sections in, but I ain't going to keep chatting. Let's get to it. Everyone, not a bad day at all. As you can tell, the ovens have opened again, which is a little bit frustrating because it's been an absolutely beautiful day, but hey-oh, we still got very close. So on Monday we can start doing a few cuts in here, and then that's all the patio section done there, and then what we can do then is carry on pushing on down that way. Oh, it's been a bit of a crawler, but to be fair, I'm pretty damn happy. I'll see you all on Monday, and come on England! Come on!